don't know, y'all. I feel some type of way because I got copyright and copyrighted. And I don't know. I just be trying to do my little food review and just. I ain't been on that since then. I took that one off. So whoever seen it, if you seen it, cause it didn't stay up for long. I took it down, so I don't know how that's gonna affect me. I don't know if it will affect me, but did take it down. Even though it was just, my Pandora plan. And I tried to write it in the description, but YouTube don't play, I see, so. And I got some food here. I found a little food truck over here in Pascagoula, and trying to, but I don't know, I feel stuck way, because, they almost stole my mojo, but, all right, I guess not. I guess I'm gonna be all right. Child. I just need to talk me through it. Sometimes you just need to talk you through it. You need to hear it out loud, maybe, and I mean, I was mad because I was cute. That was a nice review. I was telling y'all I had just got my little tarot cards in, my divination rods on the way, my new cloth, so I can, get everything set up the way that I want to, so I can do other stuff on my channel other than just sit here and look like a fat ass that y'all think that I want to be. No. Y'all know I exercise every morning because y'all be having me out here, or I be on the food scavenge every day. Be trying to see what's up in here, what's out there. Yeah, I don't know. I love it. It's just delicious. I just can't help it. So, hey, for all of those other people out there who can identify and resonate, hey, how you doing? Welcome to the channel. This your girl, Codename Rose. I'm here with another goodie. Chow me down. Chow me down. Mexican delights. California burrito, right? Big, nice, thick burrito right here, you know what I mean? So, the lady was suggesting, and I'm sitting there watching the menu, trying to see what I wanted, and I hear the man in the background, oh my God, best burrito I ever ate. Say less, my God. Say less. Whatever he had, that's what I want. But yeah, she said it was one of their popular burritos. And she gave me all the sauces. It's a chipotle sauce in here. The chicken, so I got chicken and shrimp on my burrito. It's supposed to be some type of chipotle seasoned chicken. I hope my thing don't heat up, y'all. I hope it don't heat up. I might need to move, y'all. I'm gonna move right quick. Okay. So, anywho, I had to move into some shade, so forgive me if the lighting wasn't what it was. But yeah, so, chow me down food truck. Ain't no daggone way. Oh, but nah, heck nah. Don't worry about it. So, y'all ain't gonna get me today either. Y'all ain't gonna give me today either. Nah, dang it. My sauces, okay? I got a hot, a mild, chipotle.
Incoming call.
Supposed to be trying to get, y'all have no idea. You have no idea, and I really be on here being modest as heck. Oh my gosh, okay. I be on here being modest as heck. Let me let my window up. Okay. All right. This is a pretty big burrito, y'all. All right. And she said that in this burrito is everything and some fries. everything and some fries. And some fries. And some fries. Alright. Everything and some fries. And it's the spicy sauce. So I ain't gonna go crazy, y'all. Like, I gotta take my time. These food tray spices, I've found out, boy, they don't play. Matter of fact, you gotta feel me. I might need to just okay. All right. Wait a minute. First of all, this ain't chicken or shrimp. And I don't even see no shrimp in it. What? No, chow me down. Bruh, now I gotta go back up here. Now I got to go up here. Cause sweetheart, what is going on? What's going on? What's up with that? I don't know why I said chicken and shrimp. I can't do that. That's too much. It was almost good. All right, y'all. Let me go handle the business. And we'll see what happens after this.